Hello everyone, I'm Animesh, your private banker friend. Today we shall be reviewing the public NCD issue, India Grid Trust, which is out for subscription. We'll try to understand the basic nuances, what are the coupons or interest that this particular issue is offering, and we'll try to see the good part and the bad part of the particular issue. Well, this company is a power sector infrastructure investment trust and came into existence in the year 2016. As of 31st of December 2020, the company has close to about 1,42,000 million assets under its belts. And well, the proceeds will be utilized for onward lending and financing or for their existing payoff of their obligation of loans that are there on their books. The company at this point of time is rated by CRISIL and ICRA as AAA, which is considered to be the highest rated and is very stable in as per their ratings. The issue size is close to about 1,000 odd crores and is open for subscription from 20th of April till May 5th, 2021. The issue is on a first come first serve basis. So if the issue gets oversubscribed, the last date can be further rolled off and the issue can close further. The pricing of the issue is 1,000 per NCD and it will be listed on both Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. The underlying credit rating of this issue as per rating by CRISIL and ICRA is AAA, and these issues are applicable for tenures across 3 years, 5 years, 7 and 10 years respectively, and mandatorily the entire allotment will be happening on a demat mode. This public issue is providing interests across different tenures, as I have mentioned. For a 10-year tenure, the coupon that these issue would be given to their prospective investors will be 8.20, and there is an option also of a quarterly interest where one can make 7.97% on a quarterly basis. And then there, as you go lower, for 7 years the annual interest is for 7.90 and for quarterly it is 7.69. Further, if you go down the road, for 5 years it is 7.60 and for 3 years it is 6.75. Credit rating of this issue is very good. It's been rated both by the top rating agencies ICRA and CARE as AAA, which is the golden standards as far as rating part is concerned. The coupon, I believe, is again very attractive. In a AAA basket, getting an 8% kind of interest is again a gold dust in current economic scenario. I think that's a pure plus. Cash flows, I believe it's again sourced into the entire scheme of things. The interest payout is across annual or quarterly. So basis investors' requirement, one can opt for the cash flows as which suits their requirement. And the only part which I believe does not merits too high is the liquidity part. All these issues are mandatory traded on exchange, which is BSE and NSE. So if one is looking for early redemption or early maturity, they will have to take an exit route through exchange, which at point of times might be a cumbersome process. So yes, liquidity is relatively low, but it is not ruled out. So one can take their own individual discretion and make that informed choice. Thank you. That will be all from my side. So if you like this particular video, do like, share and subscribe.